In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist with task automation on Zapier. We'll walk through creating a simple automation called a Zap that connects Todoist to other apps so tasks can be created or updated for you automatically. Even if you're new to Zapier, don't worry, I'll explain each step clearly as we go. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website, then log into your account. Once you're on your Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button, usually at the top left or top right of the screen. Click on Create, and from the options that appear, choose Zaps. This tells Zapier you want to build a new automation from scratch. You'll now be taken into the Zap editor. Zaps are built from two main parts, a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what Zapier does in response. In this video, we're focusing on setting up Todoist as part of that flow. On the left side of the editor, find the section labeled Trigger and click on it. This is where you select the app and event that will start your Zap. In the app search bar that appears, type Todoist. Zapier will show you the Todoist app in the results. Click on Todoist to select it as the app you want to use for the trigger or part of your workflow. Next, move down to the Action section of the Zap editor and click on Action. Here, you'll choose what Zapier should do in Todoist, such as creating a new task whenever the trigger event happens. Click on the drop-down that says Choose an Event. From the list that appears, select the Todoist event that matches what you want to automate. For example, you might pick an option like creating a task, updating a task, or something similar, depending on your needs. Once you've chosen the event, Zapier will ask you to connect your Todoist account. Click on the Sign In button. A new window will open, prompting you to authorize Zapier to access your Todoist workspace. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, log into Todoist if needed, review the permissions Zapier is requesting, and then confirm or allow access. After you've completed those on-screen steps, your Todoist account will be linked to Zapier, and you're ready to continue customizing your automation.